This is the Trane RTU Evaporator Coil. It's in the fan section of an RTU hidden behind the air filters. The coil is attached to the blower fan and motor. The evaporator coil actively chills a building's air, using cold refrigerant to absorb heat from the air flowing through it. That's what cools down the space. The coil itself doesn't need cleaning unless there are dirt and debris present. It's important to change the air filters regularly to keep the coil clean. The drain pan should be cleaned by a technician every season. The evaporator coil should only be replaced as needed by a technician. Genuine OEM evaporator coils are built and tested by the manufacturer to fit perfectly with equipment for safety, reliability, and efficiency.